More lives will be saved. That declaration from the Health Ministry and its international partners following the establishment of an oxygen plant in the local public health sector. The investment comes at a time when Jamaica is looking to make improvements in maternal and neonatal care. The details in this report from Halshane Burke.
Cylinders with life-saving oxygen on display at an oxygen plant at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. The facility is the first of its kind to be owned by the Jamaican state. And given the problems in the local health sector dating back to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is a timely acquisition made possible by a partnership with the Canadian government and UNICEF.
The extent to which we set up an oxygen plant here will only mean something if the plant works. If it works. If in another 3 months I hear that the plant is down because somebody do something wrong or they don't know what to do, then we're really grasping at straws. And so I am happy that some training has taken place, but I want to emphasize that now that we have the plant, the training, the maintenance, the upkeep is going to be an essential part of what transformation means.
The oxygen facility is intended to help improve neonatal and maternal care in Jamaica. The latter has been particularly worrying in the last 5 years, with the country's maternal mortality rate well above the globally accepted figure.
The lessons we have learned in establishing this plant are already being applied as we prepare to establish the second plant at the May Payne Hospital in Clarendon. Concurrently, and most importantly, UNICEF is collaborating with the government to develop policies, guidance, and a standard for oxygen operation around the country.
The oxygen plant also complements the ongoing investments being made by the state in the health sector.
We're digitizing health records, never happened before, first in history. It's turning on Spanish now in another few weeks. Fully digitized health records, no more paper-based. Maypen is fully on board already, and we're going to continue that. We are, in another month or so, we're going to be announcing the final stage of the procurement process for leasing of diagnostic equipment. Never happened before. In the past, we would buy equipment, we would try to maintain them with much challenges. Now we're going to be awarding arrangements for an entity to provide them, maintain them, and replace them.
Halshane Burke, TVJ News.